Snow is falling in Edinburgh, the beast from the east is here, so I want to do something I've not done in a very, very long time. Build a snowman. In fact, it's been so long I can't even remember how to get it started. I think you just... like that, and then just start rolling it, right? Okay, I've literally no idea how to build a snowman. My hands are already falling off. That's all I've been able to do. How'd you do it? I was going to pretend that I built this, but can't even roll it. So what I'm going to do is take my snowman bit and place it on the head of this. So here's my snowman. If you've done a better snowman or know how to build one, let me know in the comments below, because I've obviously failed. So instead of making a snowman, I'm going to stick to what I know and do something even better. Snow angels. What's left to say? Have fun, be happy, and I'll see you next week.